Hey everyone, in this guide I'm going to show you how to beat Arena 16 in Clash Royale using one of the strongest decks in the meta, the Golden Knight 3 Musketeers Pump deck. Let's get started. So this deck is built around 3 Musketeers as your main win condition. You also have a Golden Knight, Royal Ghost, Bandit, and Elite Barbarians to apply heavy bridge pressure. Heal Spirits keeps your pushes alive, while Elixir Collector helps you outscale your opponent. Barbarian Barrel gives you a defense and cycle. With a 4.3 average elixir, this deck is expensive but extremely powerful when played correctly. To attack, start by placing Elixir Collector early to build an Elixir advantage. Once you're ahead, split your 3 musketeers, send 2 in one lane and 1 in the other to force your opponent to split their defense. Support them with a Royal Ghost, Bandit, or Elite Barbarians for massive dual lane pressure. Golden Knights adds a huge value during the 3 pushes. And on defense, this deck is incredibly strong. 3 musketeers and Golden Knight shred pushes. Royal Ghost handles swarms, and Heal Spirit keeps your troops alive after spells. If your opponent overcommits, Elite Barbarians punish instantly with a deadly counter push. This deck has a great attack, strong defense, and solid versatility. Just watch out for heavy spells like Fireball or Rocket. Time your collectors well and split your musketeers smartly. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.